Yan guys, ito yung winery ng Two Sisters. Ayan, napakaganda. This is their pond. Look. And the rest is are the fruits over there. Napakalawak.
But this one is just lang ito sa mga building proper for restaurant, mountains, eaters. Kasi DJB mismo winemaking area the ground.
Ang laki ng ano nila, oh. Kanila pa yung kuya.
Saan?
Two Sisters.
Diyan yata yung kanilang storage. Kasi ito halos 1 year itong palit.
So there's no chairs. Just stand. There. A
Beautiful
barrel.